Regency on Beach Walk, number 86. This 2-bedroom, 1-bath partial ocean view condo is fully furnished, can accommodate 6 people, and is non-smoking. The Regency on Beach Walk is a secure building located in the heart of Waikiki and just steps from the best beaches, fun outdoor activities, top restaurants, nightlife, and the unparalleled shopping at Waikiki Beach Walk. Also within walking distance is the Royal Hawaiian Shopping Center and the International Marketplace. The living area includes a queen sleeper sofa, a 48-inch flat-screen TV, a dining table with 4 chairs, a resort-style kitchen with upgraded appliances including a dishwasher, ceramic stovetop, microwave oven, refrigerator, coffee maker, toaster, cookware, and tableware. Also, there is a large lanai with a table and chairs where you can see the ocean, palm trees, and a panoramic view of Waikiki. The condo has 2 bedrooms. The master bedroom has a comfortable queen bed, a flat-screen TV, and has its own lanai. The second bedroom has 2 twin beds, which can be made into a king, a flat-screen TV, and features sliding frosted privacy windows that open into the living area. The bathroom includes a walk-in shower with a handheld shower wand and also has a Toto washlet. The condo comes with linens, towels, Wi-Fi, and free parking for 1 vehicle. There are also washers and dryers in the building. You'll also have a front row seat for the Friday night fireworks show. Spend your next vacation at Regency on Beach Walk 86. Paradise is waiting.